Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC Spirit Fingers. So, top 5. Number 1, you already know, flashlight. Don't leave home without it. I don't know. You can if you want to, but the darkness will come. And then where will you be? So, today, we have the Kodiak Cub. Got this from Walmart, 20 bucks. They still sell them. Made in China. Magnetic bottom. Magnetic. It's kind of strong. They don't weigh that much. You can take the battery out. It's got a proprietary little charger right here, magnetic. You gotta get it centered perfectly, but I think I have the charger in my charging bag. Put a little lanyard on there. A little glow in the dark yellow to match the green. I think this Kodiak Cub right there lights up. There you go, green. We're good to go. Battery indicator. There's your Kodiak right there. And they spell the Kodiak Cub with a K. It's got hot right there. Turn that off. It's got a hot symbol on the top. I think it's 1,000 lumens. Turbo, hold it. You got your high, medium, low. High, medium, low. No strobe, I don't think. No, if you hold it, it goes right to turbo. Nice little light though. Pocket clip, decent. You put it on your hat right there. It's already facing the way you need it for your hat. It's not too heavy. It's a little guy. Nice for your EDC carry. But number 1 on my list, flashlight. What about yours? Let me know in the comments below. We'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC, over and out.